Well, hello and welcome everyone. Today we will be discussing 3 tips for cracking CSEET. These are the most important tips for cracking the CSEET examination in your first attempt. So let's get on to the tips. The number 1 tip is stick to the module and mock tests which are issued by ICSI. So basically there are 3 modules. In your examination. What are the 3 modules? The first one is business communication, second one is economics and business environment, third one is legal aptitude and logical reasoning. And why didn't I consider current affairs module? Because in current affairs it is a very least possibility that they will ask you something from the module. So I am suggesting you a website named Affairs Cloud. This is a very important website for your getting a good marks in current affairs also. So please go and daily browse this website for getting the latest current affairs knowledge. Okay, the number 1 tip is over. Now let's move on to the second tip. The second tip is read CSEET e-bulletins. So every month the ICSI issues a e-bulletin in which questions will be contained and some articles of your chapters will also be contained. So don't forget to check out also them. These are very important e-bulletins in which questions can also be asked from your e-bulletins. Okay. The number 3rd tip is a subject wise. If I give you in business communication, don't ignore grammar. What do I mean by grammar? In chapter number 1, 2 and 3 full of grammar, but I think they carry greater marks. In August 29 examination, students just went out with the theory, and because of the grammar they did not score much marks in business communication. The second tip is in law, focus more on article number and conceptual clarity. There are only 5 chapters in your law, so law section will be a scoring section for you. And remember article number because they can be asked. Okay. Oh, it is repeated. Okay. In LR, focus more on module wise question. In module, there are certain questions which are given in your ICSI module, CSEET. So focus more on them so that you can score very well in LR section, because they basically ask LR question from their module wise. Okay. And the last tip is subjective wise I can give you is in economics, focus more on theory and concept, and even you can shoot more on numericals, because a numerical of simple calculation can also be asked. So this is the end of our tips, and I would suggest you that in current affairs, don't forget to check out current affairs Cloud website. Let me write down again. Affairs Cloud website, best website for your current affairs knowledge. Even some of the students of August 29 also referred this website, and after browsing this website every day they got a very good knowledge of current affairs. So I hope you will definitely go and check out this website. Thank you.